Hi everyone, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you another gorgeous Chanel, and this is the Chanel flap chain shoulder in this really lovely navy quilted leather. So this Chanel has adjustable leather and chain strap, so you can have that either as a shoulder or a crossbody. We've also got this CC push clasp here, and it's really cool. I like that the hardware is a mix of this gold coloured hardware and the ruthenium hardware as well. And I'll open it up and show you the inside. So inside, it's nice and spacey in there. We've got that maroon coloured lining. At the back we've got a zipped pocket there. That zip still works really beautifully. And then on the other side, see we've got one larger flap pocket there and one smaller flap pocket here. And then we've also got the key strap as well. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior good. I'll just show you all around the bag. As you can see, there's not really any stains or marks for me to show you. It's just kind of the creasing on the back here and here and here. That just kind of, you can see that it's a pre-loved bag, but it's still in nice condition. The interior, we've called good. Open that up and show you inside again. You can see it's still very nice and neat in there. There's just one little mark on this side here, and I'm not sure if it'll show up on the camera because it is very, very tiny. But just there's a little mark, so that's why we've called the interior good. The hardware we've called very good. I'll just shut it and show you. That ruthenium hardware kind of has an antique-y look anyway, but it's still all in nice condition. You can see on the base studs as well, there's not really any discoloration or scratching on those, so that's why we've called it very good. And just forgot to show you on the inside as well, we've also got the serial code sticker in this bottom corner down here. I'm not sure if you can quite see it with the lighting, but it's just in that little bottom corner down there, but there will be a picture of that on the website as well. This Chanel comes with, got the Chanel authenticity card, and then I've also got Chanel dust bag to keep it protected. For the exact measurements of this one, go to the link in the description below and it should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but you can still get on our request list, which you can do by sending us over an email or filling out the contact form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag and we can get you on our request list. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So with those adjustable straps, you can have it as the short strap, as a shoulder, which I prefer it where it kind of sits as a shoulder, I think, but you can also have it with a long strap as a crossbody as well. So that sits a bit lower on me as a crossbody. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, and you'll find more details on this bag as well on our website, and you'll find so many more bags also. On our website you can also sign up to our newsletter. If you sign up to our newsletter you can get your welcome discount code, so I recommend that you do that. We'll send through your discount code to your email. If it doesn't go straight to your inbox, check your junk or your spam, and it might have gone in there, but make sure you get your discount code. And if you have any bags that you would like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, then also on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page, and that will give you all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.